In less than 5 minutes, we're going to go through the brand new floor plan Forest River Georgetown just released, and it just came in, so it's ultimately dirty. It's got frameless windows, awning toppers, 2 slide outs. It is a gas engine, and it comes with a built-in generator and big propane tank. Now, as always, I open up all the cabinet doors and compartment doors to show you all of the storage opportunities. Now, you have your normal docking station stuff, which includes your water hookups, electric hookups. Now, in the back, obviously, you got a camera and a big window that ultimately is going to be in the bedroom. Big power awning, outside television, and it is on the new Ford platform, the 7.3 liter V8. Now, it does have a separate radio system, and this is for every Georgetown from the 3 to the 7. The 3 series, the 5 series, and the 7 series has separate radio for the outside speakers than the interior radio. So the interior radio is going to run off the dashboard through the speakers, and the speakers on the outside are going to run through that small radio up front. Now, even though this has no real bunk beds, it still has the electric drop-down bunk, the U-shaped dinette, which gives you opportunities for sleeping for 6, and if it's happy hour with all this theater seating, we'll call it 12. And then if it's a big family like I have, maybe 14, 15 if you throw them in the middle of the floor on air mattresses. By the way, if you do enjoy the way I do these walkthrough videos, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you can be notified about new motorhome videos that I do. And of course, I got a little lazy during the filming of this video and decided let's recline in one of the theater seats and enjoy the fake fireplace. By the way, if you are new to the RV world, those fireplaces actually output heat like an electric heater. Now, in this particular motorhome, thank you God, they put a propane electric double door refrigerator, perfect for dry camping, still the ultimate off-grid camping refrigerator, good kitchen storage. Kind of wish that they had a little more counter space, but we can't have everything when you get into a shorter unit. You either get the bigger microwave and the bigger stove, or you get a little more counter space. So tough call there. They believe in a little less counter space and a little bigger appliances. A lot of people like that. That's probably the majority of people like that. Now, it does have your traditional 3-burner stove and a little bit bigger oven. And I was kind of surprisingly shocked how many cabinets and drawers I actually opened up while I was filming this. And trying to think, really, is this really a 31-foot motorhome? But I guess in a lot of ways, they're getting smarter about the waste of space scenarios. You know, you look at a lot of rigs from the mid-2000s and the early 2010s, and there's blank walls. And it's like they're getting away from that. Now, this is the downside I always have. I don't understand why they just can't put a one-piece sink in there. I don't get it. Almost every other Forest River brand, trailers and motorhomes, has a one-piece sink, so I don't get that part. Maybe it was the only thing available at the time. Big shower. Again, because it's a shorter unit, you get the split bath instead of the all-in-one bath. But let me tell you, if you got to sit on the toilet, you got a lot of space in there, and you're not going to feel like you're claustrophobic. Walk around king bed. My apologies. And voila, a all-in-one washer-dryer combo and pretty good amount of closet and drawer space for your clothes. Sorry, gentlemen, you get a suitcase. Your wife is getting the rest of the storage inside the bedroom. And if you dare rip out that washer-dryer, she's probably going to have some choice words for you. And it ain't going to involve margaritas. Now, what is going to be really cool is if you look in the top right-hand corner, we have another amazing motorhome walkthrough for you.